Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video, we are going to learn about array used inside of a loop in JavaScript. So let us get started. So the very first thing would be defining an array with some value. So if you know, in JavaScript, we can give different types of data type inside of array. So yes. Now we are going to run a loop. We are going to initialize it with 0 and we are going to make it run till the length of the array that we have defined. So in our case, the length of the array is 4. So this loop should run 4 times. We can console maybe the value of array. So array of I, or maybe first let us say with I. If I run this, we get the index. And if we want to see at what index, what is the value of value inside the array, we can do it something like this. Maybe index is I and value is array of I. So if I run this file, we can see at index the value would be 7. At 1, it's -4. At 2, it's true. And at 3, it's yes. So that's the basic idea of how we use array inside the loop in JavaScript. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video and subscribe the channel. Thank you for watching.